welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious green chilaquiles salsa. Yes, a green salsa for your homemade chilaquiles. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. And amazing green salsa for your chilaquiles. These are my ingredients: salt, black pepper, tomatillos, 1/4 of an onion, 2 garlic cloves, 3 jalapeños, yes, 3 jalapeños, and a bunch of cilantro. Of course, water. This is everything you need to make this amazing and delicious green salsa for your chilaquiles. So let's get started. Things first, getting ready your tomatillos. Yes, the tomatillos come wrapped in the skin. Look at this. And you're going to be very careful removing all the skin. Of course, your hands are going to get nice and sticky. And remember, every time you use tomatillos and you remove the skin, you need to rinse them very good. Make sure that all that stickiness goes away. To make this amazing salsa, green salsa for your green chilaquiles, well, here I'm getting all my tomatillos ready. Of course, I'm going to take them to the sink. I'm going to rinse them very good through running water. And once this is done, they're not going to be sticky at all. This green salsa for your chilaquiles comes out so good and so delicious, but yet it's not going to be spicy at all. I have my little pan here. I'm going to add my tomatillos. I'm going to add only 3 jalapeños. The jalapeños are not spicy at all. So I'm just adding 3 jalapeños because this sauce shouldn't be spicy. Should have a lot of character, but not spicy. 1/4 of an onion, and I am ready to pour some water. I really want to just cover them with this water, take them to the stove, and start cooking them. Let me tell you, this green salsa is so delicious. It's so thick and chunky. I am sure that once you make it, you're really going to love it. Like I said, it's not a spicy salsa. It's just a salsa with a lot of flavor. Well, now I have it cooking. It's going to take about 5 minutes. You really want the tomatillo to change color. Once the water starts boiling, you're going to start seeing the tomatillos getting a little yellow. Once they start turning yellow, turn off your stove. Let them rest for just a little bit while you get ready your garlic cloves. I have 2 garlic cloves that I'm going to wake up. I'm going to remove the skin. I didn't put them into the water because I really want the garlic to be infusing this green salsa. I really want the salsa to have that amazing flavor of the garlic. So here I'm adding the jalapeños, the 1/4 of an onion, all the tomatillos. You don't want to over add too much water, and then your salsa is going to be very runny. I'm adding salt to taste, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 garlic cloves, of course, a bunch of cilantro. The cilantro is really going to give it color, flavor, aroma. Oh my gosh, the cilantro really makes the trick. And here I am ready to just pour and cover the tomatillos. Remember, the liquid is still nice and hot. So when you put it to blend, start slow and then raise the speed. Look at this. Look how amazing this looks. You could already smell the aroma of the cilantro and the tomatillos. Once this is done, I am ready to pour it into my plate, and so that you could see the texture, you could see the thickness of this sauce. Look at this. And now look at this. Look how nice and thick it is. It's still nice and hot. So it's a little runny right now, but when it comes to room temperature, it's just going to have the perfect texture for your chilaquiles. You got to this part of the video, like, subscribe, and share. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing green salsa for your chilaquiles. This is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. This salsa is perfect for your chilaquiles. It's not spicy at all, but it has such an amazing flavor. And like you always know, this is the part I love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Excuse me. So delicious. Prepare it, enjoy it with your beautiful family, and why not make your green chilaquiles at home? If you liked and love this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. Bye-bye.